Ciao dear Sicily lovers, happy to see you again. I'm recording this video on April 25. It's the Liberation Day. It's a national holiday in Italy to celebrate the liberation of Italy from Nazism and fascism. And I decided to be in a small town, a quiet town, but not during this day. I am in Cerda. Cerda is a small town in the province of Palermo. Just 5,000 people live here, and they are very famous all around Sicily for a food festival. You know, Sicily is addicted to food, and so we used to combine culture and also food together. This food festival is dedicated to the artichoke, a festa rucacocciolo, and you can find in different styles, roasted on barbecue, in the omelette, with pasta. One of my favorite recipe combines artichoke with sausage. But of course here you can find all kind of food. And if you want to enjoy the best Sicilian food, travel to Sicily with us. Just visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com. You can join our Sicily Lovers Tour, or we can help you plan a custom private tour according to your needs and passions. Now it's time to enjoy the festival, and so love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao dear Sicily lovers!